What are Cubesats?
Cubesats are miniaturized satellites, typically shaped like cubes and measuring just 10 centimeters per side. Despite their small size, they are fully functional spacecraft. Cubesats are popular because they are affordable and relatively simple to build, making them accessible to universities, research groups, and even high school students around the world.
The growth of miniaturized satellites.
The launch of the first CubeSat in 2003 marked a turning point in space research. Since then, thousands of these tiny satellites have been deployed. Their affordability and adaptability have allowed schools, startups, and emerging nations to participate in space exploration for the first time.
Scientific discoveries with Cubesats.
Cubesats are used for a variety of scientific missions, including studying Earth's atmosphere, monitoring natural disasters, and even searching for signs of life on other planets. They can carry miniature cameras, sensors, and communication equipment, providing new perspectives and valuable data on a small budget.
Educational impact of Cubesats.
Universities and schools use CubeSats as hands-on learning tools. Students can design, build, and operate real spacecraft, inspiring future careers in science and engineering. This practical experience gives young people a direct role in advancing space research and technology.
The future of Cubesats in space exploration.
With advances in miniaturization and technology, CubeSats are becoming even more powerful and reliable. In the near future, they could play roles in deep space exploration, swarm missions, and planetary science, continuing to democratize access to space and expand scientific discovery.